Now you me go drag. When me body and zag bazemi or work on yeah, best way. See what you want to. And anyway you call me, no be as I get go to court. Peter Ituna gets to Geresh, bitte, sofort. Ich komme gleich. Der sprechen alles fast passiert in Deutschland. Me I can't tell the Dutch. Wait till you don't do your pikin. Please share this with. I'm not joking. Share me and the still love I like. Mama not talk, make her not talk. Now so na be. 2021 till now, you think say na small years. You know what it Mona ask Peter Ituna what he don't do for a pikin. You know they. Okay, you not do anything for your pikin. Let your pikin do you. This man they lie. This man they join the woman they oppress us. Join the woman they oppress us. You know what he do to a pikin? If they set the pikin up with different people, they swear for a pikin, they do bad thing. Mona Peter Ituna, what he don't do for a pikin. You never see cry. I will disgrace you now. Disgrace I want to give you. Take me to garage, get to garage, then call me, I go come. Now me want speak, not your pikin want speak. Because I am a witness. I see everything you do to your pikin, my children. Peter, I go prepare you to the call. So please share this video, give me love. If you don't know what they happen, I bet if you are here, have you ever seen me talk bad about Papa Benjamin? No. I'm a type of person. I always do my thing. Have I ever go to social media? Have I ever? But I bear this man, no one change. Mona tell Peter Ituna make you leave us alone. I take Jamie with you. I want to see what you want to. No, you don't say you don't go another country. Fear none at all. You will not get level. Peter Ituna, I go narrate you till you remove her from our body. Test that husband to leave us alone. You want join the thief our children. Any small thing go send the wife, make they call police for us. Any small thing go send the wife, make they call police for us for us back. Because start us back, join her, they oppress us. Because they don't hide the pikin. In one thing pikin, make they get money. This my our children, not the old this man one set. Peter Ituna come outside. You will start us born and go collect. You go collect. Peter, shameless old man will not get shenekwemu. Society of Bonnie Uro mi man when useless. We not get shame for her. How can you? Your pikin not carry and come abroad. Only pikin when come sit there, okay. You not carry and come abroad. If he come, you not welcome as a pikin. If he come, help with papa or mama supposed give you pikin, you not give her. Okay, no problem. Let her be. This man say, he want kill her to me. If I not be woman when strong, when I let mama know, I beg be very careful. So guys, I will tell her beg. This wakano wakara. Now make it they call me witch. I don't carry my body don't fool. And you say me cannot talk. He want kill the pikin, see me say you. Not be safe for mouth, I'm a living weakness. This man want see pikin go down. You understand? He want see me go down. No be say for mouth. He want see me go down. What I do? What happen? Each of people wanna call and meet us. Make it leave us for waste. He don't do to me and want see what he want to. I don't know a man, a woman. I don't know the woman not concern me. Because not be the woman, but Benjamin. Now he be the father of Benjamin. Then why he open eye, he go come on go the lie. That's why I help him. That's why I do this one. That's why I do that one. Who don't know? Go to say, now he they help him. Nothing when they do. Please share this video, give me love. Vera, calm down, please. I hear you, my love. Because if I not talk, they'll say, since how many years, please. Mama, you ain't right. The last comment, please calm down. Have you ever seen me talk to Benjamin Papa? Since I be on this social media since how many years? Have you ever seen me talk to him? No. But he don't want to leave us for waste. Now you not help your pikin. Now you not give a good life. Now you not do anything. Okay, there your own. He say lie. Any small thing go join the woman, make woman they call police for us. Mama, what happened? Nothing happened, no. I don't get what I do, Papa Benjamin. Pikin do Benjamin, Papa, Papa. I don't know the hatred when it happen. If he want join his starters bed, collect your pikin make it seller. As this will be man collect money rich. Mona tell her make it come swear. Okay, my people. If something they happen to pikin, as a father, as a mother, pikin got and say, Dad, your mommy, when see what did happen. What did he supposed to do? She be supposed to give pikin advice, see how you go do, see how you go do. If pikin they support them, this one not be say, na person tell me. Now waiting my eye reach and they talk. Because they don't know what they swear put. Ask Peter Ituna whether everything when they happen to a pikin and me, whether they don't ever talk put. Crow, any smarty, I will deport you, boy. Where back this man want deport your pikin with your hip-hop woman. He not gonna let her do. Based on a girl woman start. When starters maybe want to do a show not deport, I tell them say, me not go agree on carry my man go. Because now I put my children for it not go happen. That was years back. I put body, I said like because my children man not go who want me take care of them. Now you come far away, tell the same them become carry pikin. When they're not born, you they cry yesterday, Peter Ituna, and they call your name. See, I don't vex. I want to see that thing when you want to do for this Deutschland. You they cry for you. Now you go see yourself. God punish you. God punish you when you have that Africa account. Or go kill you. Why you they cry for my comment section? Tell her make it do now. You they crazy. I don't play records. Or go tear your chest. I don't ever play record. I go now me say I go disgrace Peter. All the record they with me, I go play am. You the mad. We go sue, go shame enter us. God punish you. You not there when they humiliate the pikin. Madam, I'll be waiting to call you. You the crazy. If you make me first, I go play record that this man is useless. Me when I dey torture, I dey Germany with a me do it worst. I want to see the worst. My baller like be. So me up and me tip my pikin. You know where? Who they fear? You know where? So make I not please share this video for me. Make I not Peter. If I run, I dey Germany with you. I want to see that thing when you want to. Then I'll go play all my evidence in court. It's all with me. How your pikin go take the total what you they tell her? How you take the joy that they jubilate your pikin? All are intact. I want to disgrace you. And I go play her for social media. I want make people see you as a useless father. When people say, no, so you be not that they use man they talk, no, I don't go believe. When time reach, I go play all of them. May I block you, come on for here. When you there, the comment just now, call. You ain't the comment say, now so you go there, this is how they fear Peter. If you use me, play, go play all in record. Now me, because when I call here waiting this man, they talk, I call the, me say, I call the fear. So now so papa be, I got to record down. Now me, they talk. Peter, if I play your record, worldwide go join me, curse you. Worldwide, they go join me, swear for you. In fact, if Jama hear waiting you, they talk. If God hear what you they talk, they will put you in prison. Now me record and me. Peter, you never know me. You are dealing with a smart woman. This smart too do. I've ever helped us to do rich. It's social media. This man go call they oppress me. I don't need to do social media. He go tell them they block my social media. Wait till I do. I don't hear more. He say me not get I say go tell me say now he first me call Jamie I'll play the recording because if I dey talk and I didn't say I dey lie. So before you go talk here, come rubbish here, please listen to wait till they talk. Just forget because he's the father of your man. I should forget because he's the father of my man. Now let me block you. Now let me block you. So I go up and make it put aside for me and my man. You not help my man. You not help your grandchildren. You not help me. We not complain. May bring one evidence receipt. When don't they give you grandchildren money? Or when don't they support us? Let it bring the evidence. In no day. Or may bring the record. When we take the disturb and make it help us. In no day. He got to join starters by to collect our enemy children. So that make the seller then leave for Germany. You know how many times this man tell me say he go tell his wife. Say me go and call police. For us, we will take that former city. Because that former city, they will not get the city again. That former city and this man, they are 5 and 6. Then he used them against the whole son. Now me they talk. Anything bad, they go come. Anything bad, they go come. He want to say roof is on police so far. He go to call police for us. Because I never talk. Because I never talk. Because he and the pikin talk. Oh. Now he go they call to pikin you talk about why they do like this. Are you mad, boy? Are you crazy? This one, that one. He go you tell the wife for the call. Go say me wife they call police. I don't talk. Me I don't talk. Me don't talk. I go disgrace Uro me men. They say Isha people wicked. Je not see one keep it Ituna. I go disgrace Isha people. Mona say the reason why the saga Isha people don't understand. Wickedness, heartless, that spirit of jealousy, heaviness. You go to see for Peter Ituna voice for his body because he don't spend more than 30-something years in abroad. Life not better. He don't want me to get better. He join the wife, they do evil, they lie. Papa will go call me. He go, they say my pikin they sell it, bro. I say, Papa, why you go they ask me whether pikin they sell it, bro? He know they smoke. He know they sell. He go say, hey, I just want ask. Just to go lie to Jama go me tell the big wife. Make wife go report and make they put Benjamin for prison. Wait till they talk so I bet corner. If not lie, make us swear put for social media. No don't hear bonjour. Make us swear put. I know they fear Peter Ituna. Now me the saga because I'm tired of you. Leave us for West. Then start transfer me they back off. Cause now you they use them. Because no man near me at your son. No man near Ekumukwa. Vera, cause your father-in-law well. Now yeah man. But you the support I just now. I be not be the support I don't know. People wey no Peter for city for Dutchland here. Now very wicked man. Okay, now you know help your pikin. Now you know the nothing. I'll go there like make it bring down. Person when he had the pikin for Germany, for Dutchland, make Dutchland not know say he get pikin. He had the old pikin for Dutchland. Make them for no know. Please, if you have been watching me, have I ever talked about this man since 2021? No, be 2021 start about since 2017. Any small thing of pikin, he go call or carry him. Who thought say he want carry my pikin? Now Peter Ituna. He go say, your first daughter, I go carry her, come give my wife. Your first daughter, I'll go collect her if you don't grow. Go carry her, give my wife. Go say, for what? Now pikin tell her, say never. If pikin not go stay with old people. Ah, what? Now that why pikin tell him, oh, he can't go do finish. When he say the children don't they grow. My first daughter don't they grow. He can't go test status, but make they use fake letter. Now he tell them say me not go school. Make me not go Dutch school. Me not sabi read. Make they use bad rotate that and make they send her for me. Say me go sign her. No, you have never. Thank you, mommy. Good evening, mommy. Good evening, ma. You are welcome. I have never. Okay. Peter Ituna, I go beat you, eh? Me and one man, you go court. Beat against to garage. Nish asage na, eh? I know the asage. To moose. Gets to garage. So forth. First do. Ishakan inside me asage. To moose gets to garage. That thing when you hide, I want to go expose her. Thank God I bought for your pikin. Your pikin, they carry your son name. I want to go tell them how you take hide your pikin. Me they go check when me they born for Germany. You they walk, you they do everything. You hide them. We no warrior. He no let us rest. If I do social media, you not get it. He try to frustrate us. Peter Ituna say now God go punish you. Read my list. Useless or body man. Or money when you eat for Nigeria when life not better you. Useless and what idiot. That wish when you shop, that money when you enter. When they want use your pikin head to pay. You not go fit use my mouth to pay. You have never. Thank you. Since I've been in Dutch, I start social media since 2018. Have I ever talked about the bad or for what I've been doing since 2017? I know the talk. Me, I'm a type of person, don't press me. I can look person for more than 20 years. But when you don't fool my neck, I go do what I want to. Now you can see me, I'm not the fight trouble. I'm not the fight trouble. If you know me, you know me. If begin to sell black people, begin to pay people. You don't see where this man go pay. So boy, me that they call my man, they call her. You know the shame. Now so he come on go lie to the say. Now so he want help Benjamin. Now so Benjamin yeah. Me why? Since we pick it con Jamie. No help, oh. No help. Not write anybody here, Beck. Not write any Vera sister. We are not there, please. No big problem here. I don't need them. I'm not talking about Vera sister. Leave Vera sister alone. I don't need all those kind of oversabi. I don't need her. Not divert my topic. Leave Vera sister alone. No concern, not that I hear. Wait till the turn and Benjamin Papa. So if you know if he calls Benjamin Papa, get out of here. Not divert my topic. Not brief Vera sister matter call you, not near you. That's why I take the cause problem they go for comment section. Not try them. Sure I'll be down when I say you. I bet not that I hear. So many people share the video. Peter Ituna. Me and you want go court. Thank God. If we reach there, they go understand. If I begin the priest of this art, they will understand because even you both court no say nobody is mad. And you will go and print the video on me and my man talking to you anyhow. Since how many years we have been genuine, this is how they fear you, God punish you. Shameless or bony man, useless man. Because I keep quiet, I'm in Germany with you. I'm in Deutschland with you. I want to see that thing where you want to. Your beating, it go long. Your beating, it go not share this video. Give me how they see love on this video. Una no waiting. If they see mama they drive car, people will not know. But he say, nah, papa they help her. Because normally, if pikin get papa, he get mama for country. Life goes still easy for her. I'm there. Did you know what this man did to your son? No help of document. If it my man they talk of document that time, he go say why they talk a better. He win a bear mugwania. He my talk of work. And win a mugwania. Peter, me o good see shall make you die automatic death. If I left for your head, anything of faculty is a problem I don't see. But if I not left for your head, you don't go die better. Peter, you don't go die better. And you go here and move. Even born now with bear. If you see waiting, they come out for this man. Matt, it made me fear Isha. Who run me people? Jesus. You know a picky. You not support picky. You not do anything. Still let the picky be. No. This man, they carry his wife, they go different office. Who want to call my picky that Peter Ituna? Because he not love his children. He hates all his children. He want to collect and sell and give jammers. Now he, Mona ask them when they be what if our enemy children when I can't get retarded. When the picket and what he talk. He they laughing man. Enya. Mona answer. What thing when he talk truth? You don't know when you go tell Percy salty. When you go tell Percy salty. No, Etina, no worry. No, this one, oh, it was my sister. You feel be Isha, no Versi. Before I call the talk like this, my love. Some Isha people good. No, you say so. You see this Papa Benjamin. You know what they'll say? Devil in human form. Now it be. I did here now, Tina, my love, I'll call the lie. I did Germany with a make carry me go court. They say Azagaza get go guneba. Useless of body man. Useless of body man. We not the live for the same city, oh. For where now? We take the live for the same city. Where it they far from us, oh. We not the live for the same city. Asa, when he begin they pass through stress. Asa, waiting the man do put. Even one made the kill pikin. So they give people money, made the it just starters back. Made the even kill pikin. Now make the talker. Isha or Pugbe. So then when I got tell one woman for Jamie, yeah, He said if that kind of thing happen, that's what shows that in your person dey inside. This woman not even know say na me. He said for this kind of Oyibo, no, if Oyibo God they do like this, they do all those things. No say black person when he know, when they lie, when they do evil, he dey inside. He dey inside, really, na truth. Mona ask everything we pick pass wait it up, nothing. 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 Very evil. Mona answer. When pikin come abroad, you can't say, okay, he don't be like the Mona answer, what he do? Mona answer, one help. Peter, come outside, come tell the word. One help when you give your pikin. This one not be say problem. Oh. When you not help your pikin, still let the pikin do your own. Still allow the pikin exploit in life. Since you not see they disturb you. Mona answer. Since 2022, he not enter where Papa dey again. This is 2025. I will help you. I will help you. I will help you. Nothing, no. He carry pikin to come if you want spoiler. This man, Peter Etuna no go better for you. Gets to Geresh. Gets to Geresh. I go block you for you. If you repeat that comment, you dey mad. May I remove you for you? May I remove you for you? This I get time. Don't remove you. Don't comment rubbish for you. I don't get that time. Gets to Geresh. Gets to Geresh. Oniara Beribe. Peter Etuna, I dey here. I dey here. Oniara evil man. If I talk, make person rest. No. He not agree. Peter, I dey here. Useless. Oniara Beribe. Wicked man. Come carry the pikin we see. No. Evil human being. Come carry the pikin. May we see. Our market. That's the shame of disgrace. He meets you. You they cry. I want you to disgrace you to the world. You be useless father. I just want to disgrace you to the world. Wicked and heartless man. Useless man. Evil human being. Join starters beg. They do evil. Not tell me to take a easy. Come up for here. Evil human being. Starters beg. What he pikin? Do you know that he was the one when he started the talker? My pikin go stay with my woman. My pikin go stay with my woman. I get all the things. Wait till they talk. You they cry. Zaga Peter gets to Geresh. Peter, go to court. You have been running away from court. You have been running away from Dosha not to know. Say now your pikin go. They mo go talk with you. Don't hide for Jama. For how many years? Mo go talk her for there. Mo go to a Twitter. Please share this video. Give me love. Let's go at Twitter. It's there. Mo go to a Twitter for there. What beo? Useless man. Do you know how many things starters beg do? My man go the work. They're not gonna let us see money. I don't know for her. My man go the work. They go they collect the money they give it Papa. Did you know say Papa go apply for kindergarten? With the ask and which for it they deny. If they use the word because they're not Jama, say they do evil. Me I not get problem with take care because they not be human being. Not be me cause for such of that one body. Two of una, evil one or two do. Una go collect. Please, you demand. Now here you want that talk to. I say people no good. Especially this man who wrote me, man, you demand. Una jealousy too much. Enemy of progress is too much. Hey, yeah. Now you know how pikin come abroad. Now you don't support. Now you don't do anything. Now you see they do it for useless man. Hey, start us back Germany. Una they run. If for one a job Peter do, he don't the leak our market. Thank God say una not succeed. I not no go ever succeed. Una can't begin the be failure. All the money one has spent. Oh, waste. I take Jamie here with you. Una don't see who spoil una name. Una don't see who go put na rob una for more. Na me. I fear no motherfucker. Peter gets to Geresh. Me I can't talk wait fast pass yet. Me dane son un ish och mit Then Eke Kinder. In Deutschland, Peter gets to Geresh, nicht Azageg, nie. Go cut. Carry my name, go cut. And the day here. Peter, I day here. If I run for you, me I swear put. If I run, I did Germany with me, not say, don't go, I not the fear you. Goes to Geresh, call me. Me, I can't tell the word what you do. Me, I bring your things out, what you do is your man talk. Start us back. We still come up for the city. Did you know that this man, they cry? Now saw this. Now saw that. Now saw this one. Because if they join the starters bag, they share my children money. Starters bag join a pool in name for kindergarten. When we go to kindergarten, they say, Ituna, they collect our picking money. Who be person will be tuna? Another person not they will be tuna. If they collect our money, you know, see, you know we don't start to collect our children money. Then they use that, they share out the shopper. Because a woman a jama, they go help and do for Ansberg. Because they don't already hide my man say, they go bless say not the country again. They go tell Thomas Vemes, make Thomas Vemes hide the interview paper when go for take go to court. Make judge ask a question so that through court they go send a letter. They go use the start Ansberg against my man. Because he don't get Germany, don't get passport, they crazy. See how many years in Germany you wait. When I make, you saw those people who don't spend 20, 30 years in abroad. Now I make at the road for the cost. Many life not better than 25, 30 years, 40 years. Now I make me the record. This one is 46 years, 36 years. Now they spend for abroad. So why is doing all those things because of jealousy? Life not better. So if they fear me, begin to come spring up, pass on. Now I make it call the fair where he won't even carry his grandchildren. See make collect money, he no care. Now father when phone say he no care. Peter go to court. Me I can't play your record for court. When they tell me say you want carry my pikin, give your woman. Now that the problem starts. He want carry my pikin. You don't know say you want send my pikin out. Me I can't play your voice notes. Because I suffer because you they lie. If you reach you go deny say not talk, I get your record. Everything we go talk, I get I go play her for her. I go play her for court, make the listing. Why me they beat you? This are before me come as I call the talk. I'll go the use my go the talk for court or for social media. I have your recording. When you go call, when you go the call your pikin, they talk bad one. When even your pikin go they complain to you, I know everything when they happen for them. Best the way not they city where we take. This man go say everything when they happen for them I know. Really, nothing we not really know because the stats they tell them. We'll go they imagine how this matter they know. Now they tell everything when they go on. He go say anywhere soon, any man, and none of them all. They say now this one, can't do this one. Everything when they talk, now truth. How I tell they know because starters by they work together. They join them. They do evil. Mommy, let's love TV. Good evening, mommy. They join them. They do evil. Oniara Peter gets to Geresh. Go to court. As I get no go reach you. Go to court. Did you know that this man? They say he must block my social media. He go block my social media. Get the record again. Say, you know the oppression when this man oppress me. You don't have right to do social media. I will tell you I first you more than I have the record. Ready to go court. I call the tell and say, I beg, leave me for waste. Why are you interfering in my affair? He say, go tell me say first because at the end of market. At the end of market. All the record they have it because you they lie. I record you. Go tell German government. Wait till you talk now. I record you because you they lie. You go deny. This man go call the oppressors. And this month I will show you. I will show you. I will show you. Last 3 months for yeah, this man the type he say this in Nigeria I think of don't kill and the way they kill your that son. Cause swear put. Wait till you go kill God put for Nigeria. Peter Tuna. When do you go kill God put for Nigeria last month? Not be because you go to say you want to your pikin enemy something. You were because I they look your shame and disgrace. Please bring it up. This city so I don't feel like when my man you reach the city was so nice. Ansberg. But after some years, 1 year, 2 years, and 1 year, you don't know what happened. When my man called Deutschland, when he need to go the first interview, That time, I don't get belle. My belle don't tell like 3-4 months. He know. When I know what this man tell the pikin make it talk for interview. He said make pikin talk say in a gay. You don't know what this man thought they do. He said make pikin tell them for call say in a gay. Now pikin tell her say yeah. You know say my woman get belle. You know I tell you. And you they say make me not come out. Go tell them say me not gay. So that if I see body pikin go see where it's different. That time my man could go put himself for problem for government hands. Because he knows if he talk saying a gay, they go write for a paper. And if they go check in not be gay, so that they'll carry put for prison say lie. That man a society man which now me they talk as society man, you don't see father when get passport. He use the man tell me say no be the woman when marry her so no be give a passport say na a pikin give a passport. But this man not fit do anything for a pikin. He not do day, he not day. He said me pikin go talk for court. It was June 2016. June 2016, I been May 2016. Now this man talk. When me get belle, he said me pikin go talk say na gay be say don't quick give a document. And me get belle, he know. Is that a good father? Nah, that mama tell me now say no. Even if we no go down, we never get this. We talk that getting a problem. Oh. This pikin, if you won't go claim and later, it go hard you. And what of you not read practice gay? If you go check it, they go check you. No be problem you one day. Now then mama go say now truth. So now say not talk about because you know when me pikin talk for interview say he get papa. He know what time. Now I make it tell because if you reach me to say now gay you be for Nigeria. Now I make your own call Germany. Peter Conswell say you not talk. Conswell say you not tell your pikin me to say na gay when you know say my belly don't dey like 4 months and one born. So that may not say get papa. As he now do that one, when he got the interview come back, he remain big interview. Now and the wife do cover and say if the because when you go small one, if you take Germany go understand. Then you go no say another big interview day. That one I judge go call you, he go be caught. They go call you, only you and I go with your lawyer or they will give you lawyer. If you take Germany, you know. Now because say Benjamin not tell God say they not in first interview when you go just to introduce to ask and waiting can I call I take day. You get family, you not get it. They always ask. You get family, you get papa, you get mama, you get sister. They always ask that question because they get papa. Because say Benjamin not tell God say he be gay. He can't do finish. Go use start husband say I beg use the wife. Make the cover and if he cut paper come. Make they not give autonomy for not take go court. Start husband no fit all say they not see court paper of Benjamin. Because why? If you change address, okay, for example, you fed that camp before, then from that camp carry you go another camp. When they send that 2 times they send now. If they send now, you not see them, they go rig your own letter behold them. Because it's a very important court. They must ring, if they know you never get lawyer, your own letter behold them, they must ring out or send them the letter. Now, so me they get my own when I go interview. Now, letter behold they give me my own, but you wanna ask them, you know give them, you know go court. Letter behold they give me my own, but you know go court. The letter behold they Ansberg hide my man paper was supposed to go court when they finalize everything. Send Peter Ituna letter. They go see the letter got through where. So court send one send two. We don't know where to say that behold they Ansberg right to court. Maybe the court will say no they there or 1 or 2 things. They go forget. No knowing that this man and woman they don't plan evil when they want to because that time me they already born. After I go the first time we not 10 hours born. We wait for interview, wait, we not see. Everybody for that city, they go court. Did you know that only my man no go? Even one electoral guy can say, you not go second interview for court for Hansberg. He don't go, you come. Now then mama can say, no see letter. They go ask Thomas Thomas say, no see letter. Now then they start Hansberg, Thomas famous. May I let you know, Peter say, since what you don't they do, all don't leak. All the thing we need to hide, people don't they expose them. They don't they leak your nyash, you know. Now then they start to hide them. Even Pikin, I born, if they hide they go. He know the near Pikin, if they hide they go. Nothing they do for a pikin. When it can't be like that, now mama can say, okay, sister, so it can't be. Now you leave her. Papa the country, he go say, go meet Humphrey. Go meet Michael. Go meet Humphrey. Go meet Michael. Michael, help this one. Make by nothing. Garnis. Humphrey. Michael. If I like, also I put. No, because all those ones I follow. Those ones, they advise more. If all those ones see my video now, shame not go let the callers call me. Or even call my mom. Because those one weakness waiting happen. They see waiting this man do. Otherwise, if now good man, all those of you don't even carry for they call me or they call my mom. Because they self talk they tire. I've been an offering. I've been an info the market. That one they talk. Help your son. Help your son. Even the market when you market come our house. Market cause he brought and he help him. No be the same papa the same mama. Peter, for your present wanna come. Come greet my second daughter. Knowing that. Now we want to carry kinder get the collect money. Now you make her come. Michael, not be you and Peter come 2018. July 20, inside June 20, July 2018. Not be your appetite to call our house. When they got the door, say, this pikin needs help. You need to help this your pikin. That one got to say, my two brothers have been something like that. Have been my brother. Now me help them. Peter not do. Peter not do. No, that they look for where to see pikin make it sell now. Because they use money to swear for a very useless old man. They use money, they swear for her. Because he not fair care about the pikin. I go take care about grandchildren. So he not concerned if you want to go punish you, go carry her. You not go tell the husband me to go carry her. He don't take when you do. You don't tell what they do. They never see who hold the retarded. Now so I tell you do. Now he go tell Katia board, make he send me letter, make her collect my pikin. He don't send me go catch that woman retarded. Do you think it's easy to cast social worker? Share this with another see love and like. Mona see the guy yeah, papa, and he go back, he go the rake. I help my son. Now me they make life the better. I help my son. Make where the life where pikin they live the pain. If they find where to seek your pikin, but you go the lie. Make people for us go they share money, ritualist money, society money when they share. Make people think a better person. I say person when give my pikin money they hot. Now I say which kind of money be this? We run for her, we not the ask anything. May he bring the receipt. May he bring the receipt when he and his wife take buy us something or when they take give us money. Make he bring the back out or he not there. He not there. We not still worry. We they do our things they go. But this man not green leave us because he won't say our enemy pikin. Now he talk and say if your pikin young grow, he go here carry give you wife. Not knowing that he me waiting talk. He want to carry pikin say give you a jabba woman. We not bought for her. So that they use my pikin enemy for modern slave trading. Now pikin tell us over a dead body. Not be me say me your wife not bought for you. His wife not open my talk and not feel like when my man call his wife say, see waiting my papa they talk because don't know whether I get the record you. See waiting my papa the wife say no. His wife say you can see I'm old. I cannot take care of the children. I don't want children. And so the woman talk. No, that he wants that pikin. The woman, mama call Eke say, see waiting if papa the talk say you need the daughter. Are you aware? Is it true? You know that I get the record you. The woman said no, I don't need it. Because the woman thought they hold. You know if you take off pikin. He said, wait, he said, don't you see me? You know if you take off, he said finish. I wanted to take off pikin. When they go get another family, when Peter Tuna go fight for ground, when he won't sell our pikin give her, no. Why I'm here? Mona tell Isha Mauro me man, make it leave us for waste. Or that if I go play recording, shame we go enter Isha people body. Shame if I go play, because if I dey talk with man and I say I dey lie, I back everything I do up with proof and evidence. Because what I recorded is that he will deny that he did not say it. And when I talk, he go say he want to do this, he want to do that. In case if you do any, if it is caught, I'm going to bring the record. If it is social media, I'm going to play it. So that you and I will listen to what he's saying. It's not a threat. Don't be saying a threat. If you dare me, I go play her. If you know me, I don't lie. Wait till I not get, I know they say I get her. Peter, if you use me play, I'll go play your recording. The one when I get. I'll call plan me people hear your voice. Whether na me go edit the date. I go show the date and the year. You want use me play? You want dare me? You want dare me? Because when I come say call too much, I got to record them. Because they are not see where this man put body. He is serious about it. I got to call the record every conversation. Peter, if you use me play, I go play him. I go play him. Make the worldwide Germany. If people hear the record, oh God, don't be say they see, you will give up. You will give up. There are people when you know, may they call listing whether not a voice or whether not be voice or if you want still like say not be voice, I go bring the date come out. I go post them. I go screen record them. I go show the date and everything. I go post them the year everything. I go post them so that may know if na court you want go. That is start using start aspect. Okay, what you as I said before, ask Peter Tuna. When they want to steal a child as a father, no remorse, no how we go do it. He begin to laugh, he begin. Mama better me. Do your work and they say nothing you go fit do. They say you got nothing to do. Anything they like to go do you. Peter, may I go play recording? Peter Kia, may I go play recording? If I beat you, before I come verse like this, talk, come outside, all your proof and evidence is with me. So better back off. Tell all hands back. People won't tell me that they hold anything. Tell them that they withdraw. Not only your record you. Una many. Before I do like this, I don't ready for now. Una plenty. Both all those social whatever go where. When I don't use me play. All the voice note where they say play the one I say give them. Play the record everything day. And they talk. If you not use me play, I'll begin to play song for her. Maybe for the hearer. You for leave the see. You don't see come back with your comment. Are you mad? So I for leave the matter. I not deliver you the Chris. God punish you. You down that fake account. What bell? He begin on the turn. I mean, want talk. I want see what Peter Tuna want to. This is Deutschland. I'll tell you, say I know my rights. You're picking on the talk. No. Anything I talk, if not lie, I'll prove you wrong. See, not come rubbish here. They mad or good they kiss you. You picking on the turn. I mean, want talk because I'm another family. He begin they punish me. They punish the pikin not rich. Punish me, punish my pikin. That is why I'm speaking. You they Chris or go better. Peter, do your worst. I already pass you. Before I can't talk, I don't gather everything. I don't arrange that. Don't tell me, not a threat. If you tell me, I go play one record for you. May you listen. Not play with me, oh. Not play with me, oh. If you play with me, if I plan, they'll begin to stone you for roads. You can't smart me. You know why I record you? Because you they lie. So that in court, if you they talk, they go start saying that your voice and the date, the time, everything they my record. Wow, bell. You say I don't go school, say I be mumu, but I want to prove you wrong that I'm smarter more than you. I want to tell you that it's not by school. We go see who go lose. We go see who go shame. We go see who go hate us. No better. We go see who shame go cash. Now you they know. They go party. Papa Benjamin. If they go party, useless man. Hopeless man. They don't know say that Ogboni they worry you. Society. Ooh. When you take kilo pikin shop, now me talk on a lie. Where your first son? My first son they quit they die. Oh boy, my piano. Okay, first song by Peter. When this happen to your second pikin will be there. What happen to her? Then since when that lady now they sick, wait till you do put you the four people gather the high. Now me go disgrace you because if they ask me because I'm the part of the family, get no. I bought 3 children for your son. Why they make you run for DNA? When your pikin be one jack you come outside. When Michael call they beg my man. Why you run for DNA? Through there we go process DNA to show that you be real papa. If you show, me go still do DNA of my 3 children to show say na Benjamin body. I go drag you lege. Me and your fight. You na man. You don't get passport for Jamie. Me, I never get passport. I don't comment again. I go drag you. Drag us back. Drag everybody. All of my secrets. It go leak. Me, I don't get down for hands. If I lie, me, I use my mama grave this way. Dare me. Me will see. Dare me. Let's see. Are you mad? Let it go to court. Or go the kiss you. Yes, I do want you the craze. May can't lie, say not talk, huh? May can't lie. Yeah, if I go come outside the talk now, he go say I did not say it. If I go court and not see something, go the kiss you. God punish you. I record that they talk so that if you want dare me, I go play. Yes, because he have been doing evil. I record you. Go take court gets to Geresh. Why I do that, I have reason. Because this man go do something finish. No. He go say he no talk. He go spoil me for no. He go say which time to talk. So I have to go to anywhere. Wow, useless man. Me I not talk. Me I not do one. So that if I got on now, you got there. They say bring the evidence now. Bring it now. Let's see now. You dey crazy. You can't smart me. If they ask me, Geresh, I'll say yes. This is the reason why I do it because he's a pathetic liar. So if I'm saying it now and I don't have the evidence, when I tell you, will you believe me? Sure, you will ask for proof and evidence. Then I have it. Okay, no. I have it. So that if you want lie, I go play am. Yes, get no risk. So that if you want lie, even on this social media, I go play am. Make the world hear am. Make them hear his voice. Thank God, even when no get self, don't see him. Many people know his voice. You want dare me? Me will not be your pikin. You join that husband, they punish your own pikin. Mona cause this idiot way. They do other fake accounts. Just they cry, go disgrace him. Una go cry me a river. Who put body? I go call his name. I go curse you. I say God go full for this one. Wagbeo. Useless omission men, wicked people, jealous people. All those are Shawoishan women. They don't know say get pikin for Jamie. They want for say they don't know say this man not they support the pikin. May see let the pikin be. May you call here where this man they even they threaten me for my own right. I get the record today, Chris. They make another record down for threatening our oppressor. And Baba, why you want to take my pikin? As they talk on me, I not get them. Then tomorrow if I talk, you say, when did I say that? You now my head. I will post all on social media, bust it in courts. Gets to Geresh so forth. It's come glash. I don't go waste time. Now me go beat you. Do you know how pressure what this man gave me? Call you everything they talk about me. Crow, broad daylight. No, tell me. I don't know. So please share this video. Give me love, guys. So now some starters better do the one carry pikin. If pikin go tell us, see what they do, amo. Papa, see what they do. No, that now the papa. Why I come as I call shout, call talk today. Mona tell Peter I do not require me to leave us on waste. Otherwise, I go beat all of us go court. Peter, if I fear you that may I'm use my mama grave to swear. If I run for your court paper, any court, anything you bring out the poster on here. Anything we have to do, put the record in. After I go play am. I go do you go frustrate. Because you started the frustration first. And you will bring the video with me. Don't they cost you one day. I know they fear anything we like talk. Okay. Go out to Azag, I'm waiting. You said the husband to be doing evil. You don't because you don't want to see your son to be prosper. Because you don't want to see your son make it in life. You don't help your son. Who see my man, I go say, if Papa dead Germany now, Asian people. Benjamin not get Papa, who not get Papa better pass. Who not get pockets better pass the pockets where they get home. Oh my name, I love you fool. Who not see get Papa? You see waka you see let the pikin do you. After I don't want help. You go they lie. I say go tell a woman, my woman will deal with you. I get everything. Where? You don't take one of the cat at you. My woman will do this. You are playing with me. Different threatening. Don't worry. I'll bring all of the common side. All the things when they don't do to my man. What he don't fit do. Mona, if you tell you the comment, share this video, give me love. Ask question. Okay. when they want collect pikin, when they want use fake letter take collect pikin, because they know say, for me, I dey at a lot, and I dey take all my children, I dey bath them, I dey take good care of them. They don't see anything bring. Say, now error when you do it is not there. I said now this man send them make the thief my pikin. Because he have been saying this since 2017. My pikin go come stay with Take. My pikin go come stay with this woman. My pikin go come stay with this one. My pikin say lie. My man carry photo call the woman. The woman say no need pikin don't hold. We no fit take up pikin. He don't know what Peter they talk about. Now be sumati conscience. This man not get Papa Benjamin not get. Very wayward man. Mona ask and say, when this issue called the happen, Papa, where do you coffee do? Where do you coffee help her for? Which place for coffee participate? Mona ask her. Ask this question on social. Ask it on this peer. Ask. Say, okay, Peter, where do you coffee really do? Person will be. We call the cry. When they not supposed to carry picking. Person will call the cry. Say we can't get redundant. Person will be one use guru. Take collect the letter after pikin tell and finish. If you say me pikin bring the letter come, I just have a lawyer. I will give a lawyer and allow you. If you want spot, I take collect the letter from our, they go give statans beg. He go tell us say they with lawyer. At the end, the friend no go see lawyer. At the lawyer go say paper don't miss. Now I tell my man say no. Now me get the paper, not give any motherfucker, any idiot old man will not get shit. Society useless man. If pikin not the hear what I dey talk so. If I lie, make pikin come testify. If I lie for a head, before me call the para, you know what Benjamin went through? Everything Benjamin acquired today. Now red eye, now only one do one. I did that, now me both for me and I did. I be what it all say we not do. I be what it all say we separate. No Google and no defiant one, no two. I be what all say I be stranger. Almost 9 years, almost 10 years together. You want to tell me say they lie? Even if we don't marry, I don't care. But he's a good father to his children. He's a real father that stood by his children. Now what made me like her be that? Not be any other thing. Not be man with the abandon the pikin. Because me, I not get strength to train pikin from man. When you bought pikin, be ready to take off your pikin. I not be say, because I don't got to single mother call the collect money. No. He really stand. You know when this man, my man thought they work? He go to school, he integrate in this country. Just for him to take care of his children. Because he's useless. He don't come out for Nigeria when Benjamin did 3 years, abi 6 years. He not fit go ask. He first asked when he go now, 2014. Now if he go ask for more than get to 30 years, or might you want no one, life not better. That old man also telling me, yes now. 2014, now if he go Nigeria for year, after many years, when Benjamin did small when he leave him. He first son die, not pay for body. His second daughter no well now. Ask Peter what he do put. He no care. He said it when he want to do that, may do that one. Person when he talk for 3 months here when he had the pikin, they talk, they don't quarrel. Any small thing go they lay curse on the head. He go they wish he had bad thing. He say, if he use he cannot up in Nigeria a day, he go for buy enemy. Now lie, now pikin return at us. Say you lie. Now you go fake buy. Wait you do to he simply no go reach your body. Ask and wait till God kick God put for Nigeria for last month, I be last 2 months. One way. Now they say, Papa no they talk that kind of one who fear who, cause you useless. How you go take talk that kind of word? Why? For what? He go they put my man name for wishes and wizard hand because he not let her do. Because not be only one boy pikin. If the Lakers they play evil for Benjamin, why Benjamin mama they pray for a pikin? Say nothing go do you my pikin no. And you know buy where me man. Our mother go day. He go bought 3 children. This man or year away for. One way see the man. You know what? Now Benjamin mama now they pray mother prayer. It too help. Mama go they pray for a pikin. Now mama Benjamin prayer they carry his son they go. He said now let this one. This wicked society man about Bola I know they fear you. Take me to court. I won't go expose. I know they fear anything we want to make it happen. Now me they talk and so. Anything we want to make it happen. He don't say we want to deport the pikin hide. If we go tell them, make they collect our document, make they carry our enemy, I want see him. I want to see that your power. I want to put you for people mouth. I want to put you for people the way you do Benjamin. So that if anything happen, man, your body go pee. No be rake. Because Startersburg go wicked, Startersburg no go wicked. Now this man said he picky, said lost to Startersburg. They don't have no choice because he married to German woman to support him in anything he's doing. Now what did he start to do? They don't have choice to support him in anything that he called them. And this one picky, his wife go they reach Startersburg. Hello, Startersburg. If Papa Benjamin Papa go they talk. If woman go carry phone, they call Startersburg, they lie. They lie, they tell picky. They tell us, say, tell them this. Make them deport her. Make them do this one. They not fight. Mona ask Peter Tuna whether picky don't go fight her one day. Una don't hear say my man don't go here fight. He probably do something. Maybe picky first come Peter for us. Maybe for put her for prison so that nobody go follow her drag again. So that my man not the follow track anything. Based on info when he do, now they run for when one by my man enemy put. I go tell the world because I bought 3 children for her. I not go up where you do my man anything. Oh, is the father of my 3 children. 2 girls, 1 boy, who fear who bell. Azak Mazemi who let me go wanna sweat boy. I get 3 children, people don't never marry. Deutschland recognize me and Benjamin. They recognize me and Amo. I not go up where may you just start us back by my man for my heart or Ika. Because you be devil. No good boy. Shameless he go to be say after you work finish you collect your travel classes. This man sit down. He say me Benjamin. Come go do eye me use the eye. They do eyeglass on her. If the phone we want to exchange your destiny. No fear who. Now make they say Benjamin come and buy water for me. You know they come. You see that juju, that evil when you pray, we used to get carrier. You know they come. Not be me tell them, but it's not coming because I know what church picky alone. No defiant one. Not you go fit one. Never. I want. If she mark you on way, if mama not sell and give you, me too I not sell and give you. It not go walk. It not go walk. That ain't maybe they talk come outside. If they just start as bad, they pay people. Mona ask Peter Tuna. Money when go for Deutschland, what you use and do? So they say black, they go me they humiliate my man. They insult my man. They yeah my man enemy. Mona come, me I see you now again. Me I see anybody. Oh, do come find me trouble. Come find Benjamin trouble. But bola wegbe. This one, we go use and take bath. Hey, Maya, waiting my man do you. Then your day, you did not support a child. Okay, let the child be. No. Even my own social media, this man is telling me that I don't have right to do social media as far as he is concerned. I asked this man, why are you interfering in my privacy? He said, because he has stayed here, I'll go and cut a little bit, may I play tomorrow. So that you people should know where they talk, they go. I'll go cut more parts, may I play tomorrow. Where this man, they do it picking. He still come up for a picking side, they come where me day. When me no near, I'll go play tomorrow. I'll go cut and come here and play tomorrow. Because if I talk with Matt, people will say, that person, have you ever seen me talk to him? Startersburg, leave my man alone. Startersburg is not paying people to aid me or to aid my man based on waiting this man starts. The best is to stay away from such father. Yes, my princess Omo. You don't ever see me snap picture with her. You don't so get to 3-4 years now. He picking not the nearer. Me not gonna say he can't beat her. Me not gonna say he don't have this. Answer, he don't the best. He said, so wow, God greet me. He don't use different pattern. My man not near there. Because when he needs your help, you ignore this man. When he needed you most, you humiliate, bust me for him first. Now they don't collect the driver's license. Now you cannot say mama they exist. Begin when you don't help. Document you don't help her. Nothing work you don't help her. They want carry pikin you don't help her. They want use assassinate killer. You don't help her. You don't help her more. You don't help her. They want poison this my man for work because they want to pick you know help her. Nothing. I be they happy make they succeed. I be they happy make they succeed. So that me go collect my children. Since the last 3 months for here, he said, you not go Nigeria. You not go Nigeria. Now mama asked and say, now me and you they go Nigeria. No knowing that they be don't see plan another target when they wanted TPK again the second time. You not go Nigeria. Whoever so wah. Whoever so wah. No knowing that they be don't see plan another target. They see fair. We not there the city again. We don't pack out of the place. Now new city we there. So if now that city are there, he go for that call police for them when they come. Because the status man, the police, social worker, all of them are working together with his wife and the man. And not there the city again, the new city. My man come to do this city and work and bring us here when he see the humiliation is too much. We are not in the city where they be wanting to pick before. We're not there. Oh. But this man not see let us rest. Then we start as by see they send people, they pay people. See, I'll also block you. You hear me so? I don't know pain where you did. May God not punish you. If you commit anything again, this is the last chance you this idiot. When you commit anything again, I'm going to ban you from my page. When you commit any negative comment, except you know if you watch me, know if you see my page. You this useless idiot. When you commit anything negative comment, I will ban you right away. I not reply a comment, but I'll put and I'll ban you. You know if you watch my video again. If you put anything rubbish comment and I see it, I will put and I'll ban you. So now, so my people, start as beg, be one thing picking. Ask what did this man do put nothing. In the fact where I'm here today, Peter, you say as again, no, when you send any title, not the man. Me, I can't tell you to me, you know as I tell me you. Peter, I told now, when you send any hazard police, no, guess to Geresh. Go carry, show you say you get lawyer. Tell your lawyer to take me to court. You know my name, right? Tell your lawyer to take me to court. If you send the police letter here, if I swear for you, I'll go post your head. Only letter we go rely to receive from you is Geresh. Go court. Let me go and express myself there. Say as I get police to court the house paper. Go punish you there. You dare not. Me they tell you go to court. I'm coming. Let me prepare myself. I've already prepared. I'm waiting for your court paper. Let's nisho. Now me they drag you so. Let's nisho. You're about to say nisho. Your cup don't work, bell. Useless wayward society, useless man. When you the two picketed by head. Wayward idiot. And the point they curse you, may provoke you so that you won't go court. You and that your wife, I want you now for Geresh. When I get Dutch passport, I not get. I want you now for court. I want to see what you go fit do me, do my man. They no rich. He can't pay. Leave us for West. You not agree leave us. If you ask person when people say, I want to take your children will come and stay with me. Naim. Start to talk, you want to collect picking. Now, Peter, I told now. Naim make where they be one do the evil. He not do put, he not do anything. Because now waiting on the wish is 2017 they come. Now waiting on the plan they come with that. Mona ask and waiting, they cannot do anything. Mona ask and waiting one utter word wait to put. He was jubilating happy. Because even the Christ said they don't succeed. Okay, this if you tell that one to that go ask. I want to see you and that your woman for court. I'm not the fear. Anything I don't put you for social media. Anyway they do, I'll they put on her. Anything they talk, I'll they put on her. Not be you born me. I'm another person's family. For me to call the verse like this, they talk. I want to let the judge to understand my pain. Or what you have done to your man, your own son, and me and my children. Wa beo. Peter to the wo walking boy. Wa defiant. Wa tu wa zag wa zemi. See your life, let me life not better you. All your men, they live better life now. Yeah, now you yeah. It not shock you. If pikin not they talk. Until we go cut. Maybe pikin go cut up. But carry me go. Women are here. I take it back for Benjamin. What two? I did go. I zang bazemi. People they eat better and wish me they take better. You're on a bad society where not take get money. When work where you strong, which now wish you they fly now zonking. I tell you the trauma give everybody. When be say your family and zanzenya in who I go to beat you, eh? I dey wait for you. I dey wait for you. What a bad father-in-law. He's a man. I go play record, my people. Have I ever lied before? I will play record so that all those Ishan are shower women and Ishan useless men. May they know how Peter Tuna tells useless. I tell word, I tell Jeje. I will play record. I go do waiting go make you go cut. Peter, I go do now we start as bad. Waiting go make una go cut. Wagbeo. Useless man from a useless old fool. Madman. Ologogoroligbo. As old as what they know you for essence everyone. Now you go see the small. Wait till they collect driver's license. When you were driving car, when you walk, you say, Benjamin, I have nothing to ask you. You have nothing to do for me. I'm working. When I pension, I will have a big money. I don't need your help. May God punish you. They don't collect your license now. You don't dare frustrate money when you say German, you want thief picking before you pension. You be one thief picking. Now that will be money when you be say, I will not need your help, Benjamin. You don't see where Papa. They tell Pikin say, I don't need your help, so I will not help you. My father did not bring me abroad. My father did not help me. Go away, boy. Nonsense, boy. I don't have any help for you. Go away. I don't need your help. I have worked in Germany. What a life.